Ginawa ko. Stop drinking ko. Ah, yan na! Ano yun? No. Oh, you wanna kiss me? No, tos.
Because I did that.
You forever follow in immortality. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning, guys. Ito naman ang mga aso. Ang mga aso na mga mababait na aso. Yes, baby. Yes, kiss, mama, kiss. It's very dark in here, my love. It's dark in here. Daddy doesn't open the window. Anyway, guys. Oh my God, it's low bad again. But anyway, guys, good morning. And I think it's January 17. I'm not sure. Oh, not 17, January 15, guys. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. It's early in the morning. Yay! Bagong ligo. Good afternoon, guys. Ano na late na? 12. It's 1 o'clock already. It's 12:59. Bagong ligo na naman si Akits. Mabangits. Ito yun. Palagi na lang akong guys. Leftover steak. Ni-recook ko lang to. This with a lot of garlic. And then rice. Tumataba ako, guys. Palagi na lang ako kumakain ng may oil. Kasi yun ang gusto ko ma-oil. Mas malasa-lasa. It's time to edit video now too. Hi, mates! Hello, mitsi, Misty Calls. Walang ginawa ngayong araw na to. I don't do nothing today. Edit, sit down here, watch. I was watching the same thing, guys. What is that? Impractical Joker. And now it's the Forensic Files. Anyway, guys, Tommy is on the phone. And he told me to go out to check the moon, but there's no moon out here. Maybe the moon is in the Bronx. Roxy, stop it. They're out there, guys. Look. But I don't see moon. I see a lot of stars. Well, usually I see moon if there is moon, but I don't see one. A lot of stars. I don't know you guys if you guys can see the stars. Oh, you guys can see the stars. Look, did you see that star over there? Oh, you guys see that? Oh, you guys see the stars. This camera is very nice. Look, you guys can see the stars blinking. So Roxy, Misty, what are you guys doing out there? So I guess Tommy is dreaming. The crazy dog, guys. Oh. Go get him. Dada's here. Dada's here. Go get Dada. Go get Dada. Where's Dada? Dada, go get him. They're going crazy because Daddy is coming. Go get Dada. Where's Dada? Dada! Go! They're so happy to see him. Oh, crazy dog. They're crazy whining inside. Okay, come here. Let Dada in. Oh my God, you guys are happy to see Dada like crazy.
That's the word.
Hi, Dada.
Nice, really. I know you're nice. Look, right before the door. Where do you think she's going?
Where do you think she's going?
Going right to let me out.
No. We just came in, remember? To look the moon?
Yeah, I don't mean anything.
Tommy is home. It's early. It's 9 o'clock. He get home early. Monday tomorrow. He's not working tomorrow.
2 minutes ago, you just came in.
I know, make no difference to her.
We're in the toll booth. Toll booth.
This guy just realized he doesn't have any path. He's going over 6 lanes. He's sleeping over
Toll booth, toll booth, toll booth, toll booth everywhere. How much is in here, Han?
$8.
8?
Yes.
Holy cow! Go back, Han!
Yeah. You think $25 on this? That's good for 3 tolls. That's it.
I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow.
When you do tolls, here you can buy this, you can purchase this. This is an easy pass. You purchase this one and you put money in it, and this is what you use. That you don't have to you don't have to be in the line of the cash. Huh?
You don't have to have that much cash on you.
Yeah, so if you have problem, if you don't have cash, you know, you just like to go to the easy pass quicker. People just keep driving. You don't have to get in your pocket, in your wallet, stuff like that. This is easy, but
New York is changing that. They're getting rid of all cash lanes.
also there. So that means everyone need to be purchased this.
Right.
This is very.
Or they mail you a bill.
Oh, this is very convenient though. Even though you have to purchase $25 this one, but that $25 is inside in here already. You can use that. It's easy, no hassle, whatever.
Then you give a credit card number, and when your balance goes down to $10, they automatically charge your credit card like $100 and recharge it.
Yeah.
And then you got $100 on there until you run down to $10 again and they charge again. Reoccurring charge with a $10 minimum. So anytime it gets to $10, they charge you.
Slow down.
I just had to get this lane.
I know, but it's going ahead of us. I see that one.
You saw that episode horrible.
Yeah.
When?
In your thing, when you and Wendy and Rich talking about it, I end up watching it.
Walls are bleeding in the house.
Yeah. We're talking about the Amityville. How you call it? Amityville horror story. It's here in Long Island, guys. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that thing in the ground? It's foggy.
Something like a snow. It's dusty snow rolling around. Oh, you see the legend of Sleepy Hollow?
I see that.
Yeah, Sleepy Hollow, New York.
Yeah, I know. I see that one too.
Salem witchcraft trial? Salem, Massachusetts.
No.
So that's all true.
Sleepy Hollow. There is a Sleepy Hollow in New York going upstate. Before, no, it's not really far. It's like close to Westchester. My favorite chicken, guys. Favorite chicken is right there. There is Boston Market. No, I don't want that. I said Red Lobster.
Route 119, I should say, and that will probably slow you up.
Hi guys, good evening. It's evening now, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do an insert shout out, guys, for to my friend Valerie Key. Hi. Stop. Hi Valerie, thank you for watching, and thank you always for sending me a nice comment. Hi sis. Bye. Hello. Hi guapo. Hi guapito.
I'm gonna make you drive back.
Hi guys, we are going home now. Anyway guys, I'm going to take it dog. Okay, let me change the settings because I don't like it. You know, Tommy told me don't wipe my lenses, but if it's dirty, I don't
Prepare
have.
to turn left in half a mile.
RiDE, oh, I'm not talking to you. You just keep yapping and yapping. Anyway, we're on the way home. We stopped here at 7-Eleven. Well, Tommy went inside and get some coffee, and I want some crunchy and water. Cheetos, crunchy, so good. Our snacks, bad snacks. Oh, you turn left there. You know, this brake is kinda shitty.
Drinking coffee makes you have to go back and catch everything up.
Stop drinking. Oh, yan, honey. We're going to that lane.
Come on, now.
Ridiculous. There's water right here, guys. People do jogging in this area.
There's water in her pants, guys. She peed herself because she got so nervous.
Whatever.
Whatever. I can't live in myself.
Every time I'm with Tommy,
Traffic jam.
in driving thing, like I'm losing my voice.
Well, that's because she yells all the time. It's not to do about driving. She does that even when we're sitting in the room.
No. Because the way he drives, guys, there is a big truck beside us. He's curious what's inside it. Like he almost like grabbed the curtains and like look inside. And oh god, it's freaked me out. He's so nosy like a cat. You know, the cat is so nosy.
And yet, who was it who taught her how to drive, guys?
It's just me by myself.
That's it. It's all her.
No, I follow direction. I follow. No, I follow in the
I don't know
book.
how to turn on the windshield wipers.
Exit highway.
That's a car problem. It's not my problem. But I know how to drive. Never taught me. All he does is like, hon, you stop really close. Hon, you do it very.
Never taught you. So you just walked in the car and knew what to do.
Oh well, you taught me.
yes, you did.
No, you taught me for a week, and then I start knowing how to drive. Are you should be like in the right lane here to go to the bridge?
Yeah. See the big sign, 2 lanes?
I don't really read signs.
Alright. She learned how to drive reading, but she don't want to read signs.
Highway.
We're in the bridge right now.
Traffic jam ahead.
And you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me.
Traffic start, guys. The GPS just kept seeing there's traffic ahead, but
For the last 2 hours.
yeah, and so now there is traffic more over there. There's a train over there, guys. Train, go away, come again another day. Guys, do, huh? What is it? What a disaster you did here. What is it? Do you want to go out? Let's go out. It's been a long time, huh? Got here. We left like 9 o'clock and now it's like 1 o'clock. And they're crazy, want to go pee-pee. We get home. We stopped to get some Burger King again. Oh, they've been upstairs. And these two dogs are crazy. And my hubsy is in here. What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there, huh? What? It's so cute. Oi, who's the cutest? Who's the cutest? No. Gigigil ko. Nanggigil ko sa imo, iringa ka. Nanggigil ko, iringa ka sa imo. What is that position, dimple alert?
It's free. Download the app to... Just have one thing to say about that. It's about occasions. 3 theme parks.
I was editing the video and then while I was editing the uploading, I don't understand why every time I edit I didn't upload a video at the same time. The uploading is slowing down, so I re-upload again and I will edit continue later. So I'm just gonna watch a vlog from It's Judy's life and I'm gonna think something for dinner also. Hi guys! Time check, it is 4, hold on. It's 4:57 in the evening, in the afternoon actually, but it's getting dark. It's not really dark yet, but it's getting there. And I took this lamp from Trader Joe's, the one that I got the last time I went there. Why it's not focusing on me? Okay. It is the season rack of lawn. And what do you want for vegetables? Huh? You going shower too?
Yeah, I didn't shower.
Oh, you wanna kiss me? No, because
I did that.
I love you. Enjoy your shower. I'm closing the blinds because I don't want, you know, everything is open. So I'm gonna go downstairs to check what's the vegetables down there. Okay. Tommy says that he went to, let me see what he got. Oh, he doesn't put it here, I guess. We have different kind of stuff. The other refrigerator, I think he put everything here. Oh, Tommy got something here. What is this? Oh, the linguine glamin sauce. It is the... What is this right here? What is this? Cauliflower for grilled. Ah!
You'll need the best unlimited data plan because, well, you have to get the new iPhone 7. It's on top of almost everyone's holiday list. Find out how to get a free iPhone SE. It's the best gift this holiday season.
Save thousands with this incredible offer. Buy one window or patio door.
We get try to follow my hand.
40% off, plus no money down.
Sure.
No payments and no interest for 1 full year. So keep the winter outside. Call or go online
Why are you
today to
filming
request your free window and door evaluation.
Stop, Russ. Russ, stop.
I'm down, boys. I got on the street all day, this guy. Stella, you gotta take a Mondo Duke. I gotta take a Duke all day. Bro, one more customer, you can drop that Duke, Mondo Duke in.
Russ, stop. Your paws hurt.
Sally Q had this
I know you're just trying to play, but you're showing the
Did you...
First up on the loser board. Today we're at the Palisades Mall, touching dots.
Hi guys, I'm going to end this vlog now guys, and it's already 8:01 in the evening. I don't eat and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to my house again, and yeah, I will see you there, or probably I will see you tomorrow and then on the way there. So Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, so bye.
No one compares, you stand alone.